Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Mary Jane Gunayan, 30 years old from Santa Maria, Bulacan. I am a single parent with a one daughter, age of 13 years old. I worked before in Manila more than 2 years and 7 months. I serve family of 4, Mom and Sir, and 2 kids, age of 5 years old and 10 years old. My duties and responsibilities was cleaning the house, gardening, ironing, cooking, washing the clothes, dog care, look after 5 years old. Mom and Sir, I hope you choose me as your helper. I will promise my very best. I will focus my duties and responsibilities. Thank you so much and God bless to your family.